Pax, baby. Go to bed. You're making Mama's ear bleed. Pax, go to bed.
Mario. Mario.
Say good night.
Good night.
Okay, go get in your bed. Paxton, 3, 2, 1. Go to bed. Good night.
Bye.
Pax, go to bed. 3, 2. Alright, you need to go night-night. I'm going to turn off the light and I'm going to come back in 3 minutes. You better be in bed. Good night. Making moose noises in the middle of the night.